Binary is a great option to make instant money, but doesn't it make you a bit worried that you might just lose too much? Of course, it is a risky business, like any other business, but the key to success lies in knowing all the tricks and turns in the business. Before we go any further, listen to what I have to tell you. Binary options trading is a form of investing through predicting the movement of various assets. It is very similar to other forms of investing such as Forex and stock trading. It's, however, simpler, has relatively fewer risks, and can offer larger payouts or losses. The ideal is that you can make money in binary options only if you treat it as a real form of investing. Trading binary options online is not as complicated as many people think it is. You don't have to be an economics expert in order to make money by trading binary options. It is really hard to know which ones are true and which ones are fake. This is like public relations, where these websites get paid to post only the good side of a product. If you ever find something like that, then look for other information about the business. My important advice to you is that you need to 1. Control your expectations, and 2. Choose the right broker or trading system. Make your expiry time selection wisely. Stick to trades with high probability, except that sometimes you will lose some trades. And last but the most important, make frequent withdrawals. However, the difficulty in finding the right broker is that there are hundreds of brokers on the market, especially for new traders. It is almost impossible to understand which of these brokers offer the best trading conditions. You will find a lot of products who are willing to offer you their service, but let me warn you that they simply won't help you. Instead, some websites make sure that you lose by providing you with false information. These websites are not even registered. Make sure that you don't fall prey to them to lose big investments. Hope this doesn't sound like guru advice, because I hate them. I'm just being honest because I've been exactly in your place 7 years ago. Wished somebody would tell me this, and I think you can learn from my personal mistakes. To help you with this dilemma and saving your hard-earned money, I can offer our proven trading platform so you will be able to enter the binary options world risk-free. Trust me, it won't be a long journey if you will do exactly what I did. This is the blueprint. You only have to execute it. Click on the link in the description to find out your next step. You can either take action or you can hang back and hope for a miracle. Miracles are great, but they are so unpredictable. Choice is yours.